Before we start, I'll teach you the most effective way to learn, and this video will be in the intro because everyone should know this method. First, forget everything you know. Don't try to learn to think you know everything because that way you won't be able to retain as much information. Second, never memorize code. Instead of memorizing it, ask, why is it like this? When am I going to use this? How am I going to use this? Third, have fun. Together we will achieve all the unrealized goals. The importance of comments in code. Commenting the code is essential for our colleagues as well as for us. If we haven't seen the programs for 10 months, it's much easier to understand the code if it's commented. There are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. This way we can comment out the code for one line. This way we can write a little about this part of the program or even comment code. In these series, we will have short quizzes at the end of each part to test what we have learned. Here goes the first one. In JavaScript, how do you make a comment for several lines? Correct answer D. Second question, what to do to understand any code? Correct answer B. In the next video, we will talk about variables. Until next video.